Hey guys, Mike here, Atlas Rim Repair. Got another wheel in the shade and it's a little cooler today, so we should be able to get this one in before the camera overheats. It's just that spot right there, from there to there. It's a Porsche wheel, machine face. I'm gonna go ahead and sand that damage out. I'm gonna try it with the 320 first. That should take it out. And we'll hit it again probably with an 800 and then scuff it and clear it. While I'm getting set up, if you wouldn't mind hitting that like and subscribe button, I will start working on this one. We'll switch that up to the 800 grit sanding disc next. You just want to get those 320 scratch marks out of the clear that's still there. Alright, then I'll take my 1500 grit scuff pad. Clean that area up. And I'm going to take an old scuff pad with the Adams surface prep. This is linked in the description below, along with everything else I use to repair wheels, most things. Just going to wet that scuff pad. We're just trying to clean up the edges here so that it blends in a little better. All right, then we'll go ahead and cover that with clear.